Now at first we are going to Kinemaster and click plus icon and select the aspect ratio of the project and select we are 16:9. Click here and select media and choose your file. My choose file and select one video and click OK. Click here and select more video and click my file bitmap and downloads and click another video and another fourth video. We are making one big video through click OK. Now we are play this video to find it how to see. Now playing this video, click this icon here. Now we are click this. Through time is limited, we're playing another video.
This is for you.
Now next video. We are want to this place. In this place we are adjustment transition effects. We are use every transition free here. So we want a powerful transition effects and click here. It is awesome. So we want to non-select transition effects. Now okay. So now if you want to sound adjustment every video and light adjustment, if you want to sound adjustment here and click sound, click here and 100% sound, and we are want to find 200% here and click OK and click here. So if you want to display this video, we are playing a lot of sound here. So playing icon, click here.
So many things I do and girl you never wanna judge. Maybe you're the reason that I ever fell in love. You never gave me drama, so no need to walk away. Girl, I just wanna be right with you every.
It is good through we are want through this video adding some clips and graphics. So we want to some clips graphics and click here and powerful click here and select one and star mark. It's good. If you want to some parts use here and full video use here. So we are want to full video use it and click OK. So OK here and playing this video.
So many things I do and girl you never wanna judge. Maybe you're the reason that I ever fell in love.
It is every video and showing this star use it. If you want to any adjustment here. So next video playing. Now we are want to light adjustment video, some click adjustment and light here. It's good light for every video. Now click OK and play. Video sound quality and sound quality 100 to 100%. If you need this video sound and edit here and playing.
This is for you.
This adjustment we are use effects, transition effects and sentimental we are use it. Sentimental use it this video change it this method and this video playing here.
चाहोगे तुम जैसा हो जाऊंगा वैसे चाहो तो वादा ये
in this video we are find this place elements in transition effects through we are want fun transactions. We are click this icon star icon change here, this click star change and many clipper change and click whip change and lap change heart. If you want to any elements, click here. Now lap is good for me and click playing. Now I hope this understand this how to use every video at here. Now click OK. At last I want to export button, click here and my project video and export icon, click here and export size and click export here. Sometimes it's loading, exporting and export complete here. And if you want to break and click